Good morning. Today at 9 a.m. in March 12th is starting storm snow. Look at gosh. Pretty. It's very pretty storm. Snowing for us on the Moss Road. I love the view all over snow. I'm so sad because my plants starting blow, but now it's frozen for the snow, so maybe it's come back. Gosh, oh no, here's the wind, here's the wind. Oh gosh, you see that? Gosh, let's go over there. Gosh, do you hear that, guys? Oh gosh, oh no, the wind is very hard. Gosh, I'm stuck here. I cannot move. Oh gosh, goodness. Gosh. Okay. I'm trying to get over there. I'm walking around. The wind stop. Actually, it's starting snowing now. Maybe in a few minutes, it's a big snow in the most before. My plant is frozen now. It's pretty. I love that. Gosh. Where's Chevrolet? It's froze. Several. It's froze. My dog. Dad's from truck and comfort is starting froze now. Yeah. It's rainy. Rain is now. Our trees. Yeah. We have 2 hectares. Look at the sun. That's so pretty. Let's go around. Looking around. Fall the rain snow. Oh, snow. That's my pretty house. I love the house. This is our lands over there, up yonder, and keep going there. Look at the snow. Hey girl, my precious baby. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you have a good weekend. You have a blessed day. I'm enjoying snow. It's still falling. Still wind the snow. Look at how it is